you just start asking something that you really want in your life, they just start behaving so weird. They don't answer your calls. They don't. They just you just get a blue tick on WhatsApp and they don't reply you. So that is how supportive people will be in your life when you just start something new. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Hey there, Sanjay here, and today we'll just talk about support. Sometimes people feel like I don't have any support in my life. They feel like I really don't have any support in my life. What do I do? But to be true, you don't have any support. That's a great thing in your life. There are two kinds of people in this entire world. If you need support, if you need some people to support you, you need these two things. Number one, you have to have lots of money if you need support. If you don't have that, probably you don't have lots of support in your life. Or number two, you should be very famous in your life to get some more support. If you don't have these two things in your life, probably you don't have lots of supporters in your life. And that's really true. That is how every self-made person is made in this entire world. I see that there are many people in this entire world, in my contact especially. So they just tell me that I support you 100%. I support you a lot. It's so awesome that I support you every moment and you have my full support, all that. So there are people who tell you that, but that's not really. I'm not telling you that that's completely false or that's completely wrong. There are good supporters too, but you need to check them. You need to check them. Are they really true? Are they really fine? Or are they lying? So you might have hundreds of friends, and out of that, you might have some 80% who are supporting you. But to be true, when you just ask them for some help, when you just ask them for something in return, you get to know their true faces. Suddenly, your friend starts behaving a bit different when you just start asking them to buy something from you. When you just start asking something that you really want in your life, they just start behaving so weird. They don't answer your calls. They don't. You just get a blue tick on WhatsApp and they don't reply you. So that is how supportive people will be in your life when you just start something new, or when you just ask the real things, to buy a product, or to comment on your new videos, or just to give something for you in return for your new job, or to refer to you for an interview, all that. But I think that's really awesome. That's really good to be true. If you get lots of support at the beginning, there are people who feel like, see, his uncle was something very influential person. His uncle was very influential person, or his dad, or his mom, or his relatives, or his friends was very influential people, and that's the reason he just revolutionized the entire thing. The money that he got, it's not the money that he have earned. So that is how people will treat you. That is how people will talk to you. So that is how things are. Without support, if you try to grow in your life, you can make hell lot of difference. That's the biggest difference. If you just don't have any money, if you just start from the scratch, when you get lots of problem in your life, you just try to solve that, instead of throwing some money on it and saying someone else to fix for you. Just try to fix it. You'll be a resourceful person. So that is what I wanted to say, and I'll meet you guys in the next podcast. I'll meet you guys tomorrow.